Hello friends, in this video we are going to learn the setup in MS PowerPoint. First we will see setup slideshow. PowerPoint has a various option for setting up the slideshow. For example, you can set up the unattended presentation that can be displayed at keystrokes and make your slideshow on repeat or with a continuing loop. So how to set up the slideshow? For that you have to go inside a slideshow. Here you can see a option of setup slideshow. If you click on that setup slideshow, the small dialog box open. Here you can see the multiple option, that is how to show the PowerPoint presentation, then showing options available, show the slides, advance the slides, and multiple monitors. Now first we will see the show types. If you want to present your presentation and you have shared it with some multiple peoples, so that person or that people also can change the PowerPoint presentation which you have. So if you want to give the access to others for changing the slide and editing it, so you can use this option that is presented by a speaker. Next one is the browsed by an individual. So here you can only give access uh, so that it will appear only on their screen. They cannot change it by their own. Next one is the keystroke, that is the if you want to keep your PowerPoint presentation rolling on the screen, you can use it. Now you if you click on that, you can see the loop continuously until the escape. That means it gets mandatory when you use the third option. So if you are going to use the second and the first option, it will ask you the permission that loop continuously until the escape. But in the third, because it's used when you want to keep your PowerPoint presentation rolling, that is in the continuous format, so it gets blocked or you cannot change that loop continuously until escape. Then show without narration and show without animation is also available. If you want to show only the PowerPoint presentation and you don't want to give a narration with that, you can also uncheck it. And if you want without animation, you can also uncheck it. Next one is the pen color and the laser pointer color. So whichever color you will select, you can use as per your requirement. Next one is the show slides. So if you want to show all the slides present inside your PowerPoint presentation, you can use the all slide. Or if you have now I have a 9 slide in my PowerPoint presentation and I want to show it from the 2 to 4 only, like this, then I will give an option of 2 to 4. Next one is the custom show. If you have created a custom show inside your PowerPoint presentation, you can select any of them and use it. To know more about the custom show and how to make a custom show, there is a separate video available. You can watch that. Next one is the advanced slide. So how you want to advance your slide, manually or using the timings. So if you use manually, then you have to click every time to change the PowerPoint presentation or the slide. Then if you are using timings, then it will rotate or advance automatically. Next one, if you are using your PowerPoint presentation to display on the multiple monitors, then there is a option available, primary monitor or like that. So these are the things available to set up the show. So how to set the show? From here there is options available. You can select as per your requirement and just click OK. Next one is the hide slides. Sometimes it may happen if you are going for some PowerPoint presentation and some of your slides are not required or not useful for that presentation, you have to just select those slides like this and click on the hide. Now you can see that hide gets great. Now if I want the fourth slide to be hide, I can hide it. Now if I'm going to see the PowerPoint presentation, that slide will not be in the in the slideshow. Now you can see I have a 9 slide, and from them I have created the hide option, and two slides are not visible. So if I'm going to click from the beginning, now here you can see, now here you can see, if I'm going to hide one more slide from here, like last one slide, sixth slide, now only how many slides are visible over there? The first one, the third one, and the fifth one, 8 and 9. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5. Now if I start from the beginning, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 8. So now here you can see whichever slide I have created or made a hide slide, they are not visible during the slideshow, but they are inside my PowerPoint presentation. From next time, if you want to unhide it, just select it, click on the unhide hide option again, select it, hide it. Now you can see only the 6, 7 is in the hide position. So now if I'm going to start the like this, the only which are in the hide are not visible. So that is the use of hide slide. So whenever you require some slides to be hide to, then you can use the hide slide option. Thank you.